Oh, no, you're fucking kidding me? Do you really have to push so hard?
Got my shoes?
No, stop. Don't do that. Alright.
Look how easy it is. Look how clever it could have been.
Oh, different. I know. I was playing with it.
Yeah, right.
Brand new start.
Yeah, right.
Brand new start.
Very easy. What I need you to do is hit this line, hit that line, and hit that line. Then we through. One of the bottoms good. I don't like this A so dark. Please tell me
Yeah.
I'm going to stay there.
Yeah, it's gonna stay there forever.
That's alcohol.
Yeah, reading probably on you.
Yeah, fix the
He was just showing you how wimp you were.
Nah, he's not.
Like yours.
He didn't even make a face.
I'm over here by the
He
breast.
didn't even make a face.
Fucking hurt.
I thought you wanted to cuddle and stuff. I
You
didn't
ain't
know
got to tell me how that feel. I know how it feel.
Why you think it looks like shit? Because I never went over it.
You scared to go in. That should hurt.
It hurts. I know.
You know what I'm going through right now? I'm taking it like a man, though.
I think Landon
I
really.
was
I think
told you.
Landon took more than you.
Hey, fix them trees. Just 1, 2, and that. Don't do nothing else. Just fix those 3. No, you're going to know that one, not that one. Not that one.
3 ones in one spot.
You're going to that mother. Not that one. That one. Yeah, that one. What is that one? And yeah. Stop. That's around. Thank you, Lord.
Yeah, let me do the whole stuff.
We don't
One star at the bottom.
I wanted 1 star to start with. I was thinking 2, but I
It's not
thought,
gonna hurt right here.
nah, 2's gonna be too much. Tacky. All right, let's do one more, but I'm gonna go smoke first.